I'm gonna make a judgment call real quick, and don't hate me for it. Listen, if you're black, there's certain things that doesn't matter how broke you are, you will make happen, and that's just how it works for. I don't care whether you're from Chicago, San Francisco, Dallas. One of them is, I don't care how broke you are, you will get your hair cut. You will find a way. And why is that? Well, you know, some cultures, they're used to their mom, dad, cousin, nephew, niece taking them to get their hair cut. Now, the way I grew up, man, we were so broke. If we didn't get it done, it didn't get done. You find that, what do they say? Necessity is the mother of invention. So we just got good, and some of you will relate to those days where you're using edges that you know hurt, but you just got to get that cut. You got to look good. You have to have self-esteem, and that's what it was about. We always found a way to make ourselves feel good. And so I'm doing this video just, I guess, a shout out to all those who grew up and you had a, you know, in the school of hard knocks, as they say, and you had to make it happen. Because the truth is, and you hear about all the shootings and the likes that are happening, most people don't do well because they don't feel well. And I'm talking from the beginning. You know, what would change if people start feeling better about themselves? So it's a small example of a big thing, guys. It's a small review, but this is the why behind it, because it's about, not about this, it's about how you feel good about yourself.
Hey, so I'm going to be reviewing the Bevel clipper, not really a clipper, more of an edger. I got to, because when you have 10 kids, you go through a lot, and some of these blades get hot and it's hard to cut someone's hair when they're going ow, ow, ow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unwrap that bad boy. So there she goes. Presentation is everything, you know. Look at that. So looks smooth. Okay, I like it. I'll say this. One of the cool things about when you're cutting hair is the ability to be able to kind of just hold the thing, you know. I will say the contours and just the grip, it is very nice, just off the bat. So, how do you charge this thing? It's almost like opening up an Apple iPhone. Okay, section booklet. All right, so I assume just like anything else, just get the case with it. You get the oil and a makeshift brush to brush the blades off. So I assume like anything else, you charge it. What I will tell you is, typically whenever you have anything electronic, you want to charge it for a long time before you use it. It'll supposedly help with the battery. So we'll do that real quick. All right, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and you can see my hair is cray right now. Hey, it is what it is. I've been working and it's easy. That's why I did it this way. Something easy that looks somewhat presentable, I guess. But I'm gonna be growing these out. But I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I normally use a mirror to line myself up, but this time I'm gonna use actually the iPhone. And you know, why lighting yourself up? I started when I was a little bit, you know, a little kid. My brother and I, we grew up, and you know, we didn't have much cash. It was about $20 to cut your hair cut, 15 I think it was, and then slowly inflation started going up, and that was 15 bucks we didn't have. So he started practicing on me, and it hurt because, you know, we had to kind of get the edge right, and you know, I would have some cuts, if you remember back in the day, because it was too sharp. But hey, I wanted to get my hair cut. So as I left the house, just started practicing myself, and hey guys, this is what happens. You know, there'd be times when I would go too far, so I would look like a cray. Sometimes I would go way too far back. I looked like I was balding, a 14-year-old that was having balding spots. But the cool thing about hair is, give it a week, even if you mess up, you'll be fine. So I really highly encourage anyone to start off, just start, you know, experimenting. If you don't like what other people are doing, you want to save some money, just try it. It's a little bit awkward at first, figuring out where you angle the clipper and the edgers, but I'm telling you, it's the best thing. You'll save time and you'll save money. So that's how I started. So let me go ahead and just kind of, I put on the 0 gap, and we'll see how good we are. Let me see if I'm able to get into this situation here. It's pretty sharp, very sharp. It's as sharp as the first time I bought my Andes. I usually use just the Andes T-edgers, and Andes trimmers, but dang, this is sharp. What I love about it is it's sharp, but it doesn't hurt you. After the few months after having the Andes, in order to adjust it, if you don't follow the blade down and all that stuff, you find that, you know, it does kind of cut a little bit. But this is like brand new sharp. So I'll keep doing some reviews on how it is going forward, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to switch over to the mirror because I can't get as close as I want to. Wow. That's sharp, guys. That is pinpoint accurate sharp. How? Woo! Woo-hoo-wee! I gotta be careful. Oh wow! See, you gotta be real careful. This is zero gap right now. I may want to adjust it backwards, so if you're gonna be cutting kids, just kind of play with it halfway. Normally, my clippers that I have to press a little harder. This one, none of that. And again, it's brand new, so just a heads up, it's sharp. Meaning you just let the blade do the work. You don't gotta do much of the pressing. I'm kind of afraid to press now, to be honest with you. I always like to edge up first, and then I'll kind of taper things in as necessary. I'm not really looking to do a full cut down right now, so but yeah, I'll do the rest and I'll show you what it looks like. So as sharp as it is, I can easily cut my mustache, no problem. Like I don't have to be afraid. No problem. Impressive. Normally it's one or the other, right? It's either, you know, so sharp that you have to be careful, or in the very dull that you got to go a little bit more. I even use the Norelcos and all that. It's just because I have very sensitive skin. Very impressed. Very impressed. Now these areas still, you know, if I go with it, no problem, you know. But when you go against, you gotta be careful. Really impressed. It's very, very sharp. So again, thumbs up for me, guys. So far so good. I'm gonna try it on the kids and you'll see how it works later on, but so far definitely a good buy. I love there's no cords. You don't have to do all this and it gets on you. It's cold. Real easy, smooth, cleanup is nice. I just wish they had these in clippers, so that'll be my next to move. So as far as I'm concerned, definitely good buy, guys. Not a sponsored video, just go and buy it. It's a good thing. You know, there are some others I haven't tried in comparison, the Andes lithium ion battery version of this yet, but I thought, you know what, I'll just try the Bevel. I bought literally over the years, I have to like buy, maybe every 6 months or so I buy one. I mean, I got loads. You know, I've changed blades and stuff, but you know, which you'll probably have to do in time as well. But I just love the ease of this, you know, the battery, and just it's almost as if it's coming into the new age. So that's it, guys. Awesome edgers. Try it out and let me know what you think. If other folks have had it for a few years, maybe some pitfalls, things to watch out for, let me know. Let me know what you think. Magnificent signing out.